Hi, welcome to Holistic Glow Life. Is your skin breaking out, looking dull, or constantly changing with your mood? The secret might be your hormones. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol control so much, from your skin's glow to how oily or dry it feels. When your hormones go off balance, your skin shows it. Breakouts, redness, dryness, even premature aging. But don't worry, here are a few natural tips that really work. Tip 1. Add hormone-balancing herbs to your routine. Spearmint tea helps with acne. Ashwagandha supports stress hormones. Maca root boosts balance and energy. Tip number 2, eat hormone-friendly foods. Healthy fats like avocados, seeds, and leafy greens help your body create and balance hormones naturally. Tip number 3, prioritize rest. Poor sleep and stress raise cortisol, which messes with your skin and mood. Try meditation, journaling, or even 10 minutes of deep breathing. Tip 4, move with your cycle. Gentle yoga and light exercise support hormonal flow, especially around your period. When your hormones are in harmony, your skin glows from within. No need for harsh treatments, just simple, natural steps. Follow Holistic Glow Life for more tips on glowing from the inside out.